Think your business is safe from ransomware? Think again, especially if you're in healthcare or manufacturing. Here's why hackers are targeting you and how you need to fight back. Hey everybody, Stan here from Stan's Garage. The channel brings you everything you need to know for successful business IT management. I'm here to talk to you today about ransomware. Yes, ransomware is a topic no longer confined to just the headlines. It's an immediate and growing threat for businesses, and particular sectors like healthcare and manufacturing. Recent reports reveal a troubling trend. While many industries have seen somewhat of a decline in attacks, healthcare and manufacturing are trending in the wrong direction, seeing an increase in activity. Being targeted more aggressively than ever before, and it isn't just a passing phase. It's a sign of the times, reflecting the vulnerabilities within these critical two industries. A recent Sophos State of Ransomware, Sophos is a very prominent security company, their State of Ransomware report highlights that the percentage of manufacturing organizations hit by ransomware surged from 56 to 65% in just 1 year. Similarly, the healthcare sector experienced an alarming jump from 60 to 67%. Now, this doesn't mean successful, but that's how often they're being targeted. If you're in one of these two industries, 2 out of 3 likelihood that they're gonna hit you. Now, what you gotta do is put in the maximum defenses to make sure they're not successful. You've got to take this issue seriously. Let's look at the recent attack on the Ascension network of hospitals. A ransomware incident forced medical staff to revert to manual charts and processes, severely impacting their ability to provide care. It's just one example of how ransomware can bring even the largest and most prepared organizations to their knees. Contrary to popular belief, consequences of ransomware are not just financial. They affect lives, particularly in healthcare, where timely access to patient data is quite literally a matter of life and death. What makes ransomware particularly dangerous for healthcare and manufacturing is the nature of their operations. When healthcare facilities are compromised, the impact is immediate and severe, leaving organizations with no choice but to pay the ransom. In fact, healthcare organizations tend to pay 111% of the initial ransom demand. I know where that 11% is. It's because they're so desperate to regain control of their system. So you can see why they might be a big target. Compare that number with other industries, where the average payment is around 74% of the initial request, and the disparity becomes clear. So what can be done to prevent ransomware attacks? Well, the answer lies in a multi-layered approach to cybersecurity. First, businesses have to ensure their systems are up to date with the latest security patches. Cybercriminals will exploit outdated software, so regular updates are crucial. Second, running comprehensive anti-malware software is a must. This software can detect and neutralize threats before they're able to cause any damage. One of the best ways to prevent your business from falling victim to ransomware attacks is to implement strong passwords and two-factor authentication. These measures, along with using password manager, add an extra layer of protection, making it harder for attackers to gain unauthorized access. Use multi-factor authentication early, use it often. This is going to make it extremely difficult for anyone other than you or your authorized individuals to access your accounts. Will also give you peace of mind. For businesses, particularly those in vulnerable sectors like healthcare and manufacturing, investing in cybersecurity isn't just a best practice, it's a necessity that could save your business. If your business unfortunately falls victim to ransomware, it's important that your business is prepared to respond quickly to an attack. Here is where your preventative measures come into play. This includes a well-defined incident response plan outlining the steps to take in the event of an incident. The clearer the plan is, the easier it will be to get everything back up and running. Time is of the essence when dealing with ransomware. Swift, coordinated response can mean the difference between a minor disruption and a full-blown crisis. At the end of the day, ransomware is a problem that is not going to go away anytime soon. For businesses of all kinds, but particularly healthcare and manufacturing right now, the best defense is going to be a proactive one. By staying informed, implementing robust security measures, and being prepared to respond, businesses can reduce their risk, and protect themselves from the growing threat that is ransomware. So as always, I would love to get your thoughts on this video. If you're not sure where to start or need help strengthening your cyber defenses, don't hesitate to reach out to a managed IT service provider like us. Leave a comment or reach out via the calendar link in the description below. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of cybersecurity and ensure your business is as protected as possible against ransomware and other cyber threats. So again, thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technology content.